Hello, it's Hoss again. I'm back. I thought I showed you my little shop here yesterday. This is July 9th. It's 88 degrees out. Nice. At least humidity's that's 50. That's not too bad, I reckon. I thought I'd show y'all how I'm gonna work on this truck here. You know, I was wanting y'all to see something here. Besides this workshop, I got me a little studio in here. Thought I'd show y'all real quick. This is my man cave. A little studio and stuff in here. A few guitars and stuff. Maybe turn these lights on might help, huh? Here's my man cave. Just real quick here. Okay, this is my man cave, and this is my little shop where I mess around out here. All I do is mess around and make things. Try to see if I can't make some stuff out here. So thought I need to sand these wheels down a little bit. I want to paint the bumper chrome. So let's see if I can put my camera somewhere. That's a good place. Let's see if that's all right. You can see me work on it maybe, huh? I don't know why it goes in and out like that. It does. Light it on. These are the ones that are a little darker, you know. I'm going to take these off and sand them down a little bit. These aren't quite as dark. Take these pins out. Mate. Uh-oh. It'll come out. There, I got it. Okay. Everything out of it. I ain't gonna mess with that right now. I'm gonna paint that bumper chrome. That's all I'm gonna do. See how it looks. Got a little chrome paint here. I'm gonna take a little brush to it. No, is that too bright? Or is this one too bright? That one is. Okay, there we go. That's better. So all I'm gonna do, spray a little paint on the brush, and then take it, and paint it. Or sometimes you can put it in a cap, spray it, and dip it in, you know. Which that's the way I might do it, just That works good. Well, might get a little on your finger. So we got turpentine for it. Oh yeah, that works better. Maybe I should put gloves on, huh? Yep. Oh well. I got turpentine. It'll come off easy. I made everything myself except the dowel rods. That's the only thing I didn't make. I made these, you know. So, yeah, everything but the dowel rods. I put the holes in them though. Exhaust. What do you think? Getting there, huh? Need a little more paint here. Paint my finger too, see? Paint my finger while I do it too. Oh well. Shame on the mess. Ooh, dog head works good. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I think that's good enough. And now what I want to paint is exhaust. I ain't painting the bumper chrome, I don't think. Maybe this one I might paint chrome, but that's it. Yeah, I might paint that chrome because that won't look good, all this chrome with this chrome, I don't think. What do y'all think? Uh-oh, I think it's getting close to, maybe I better stop, I don't know. Unless y'all want me to keep going to show you my exhaust. I'll get her done here real quick. I'll do the exhaust and the bumper thing, okay? And then I'll stop. Okay. Get under the light, can't see that good. there's the exhaust. Get chromed out. Now paint that one, see what happens. Need more paint. Thought it sounded like it was raining. Be careful on this. I don't want to touch the other dowel rods. I don't want to touch the other dowel rods, so you gotta be careful here. You know. Hey, what do y'all think? That look alright? I don't know. The exhaust. I'm gonna finish painting the whole exhaust. Yeah. The bottom. Okay. As you see the inside and stuff. Okay, well I'm gonna get off. Hope y'all enjoyed that and maybe learned something there. I don't know what you can learn there though, but learn how to paint logos. I don't know. Well, peace out. Share, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Have a great day. Look here. Happy 250th anniversary for our country, America. Peace out.